We're all concerned over the avian flu, but did you know dogs have their own flu virus? It was first seen about a year ago and it spread rapidly. Here's what we know.
If your dog is coughing and sneezing, you don't want to shrug it off as just kennel cough. There's a new flu virus spreading rapidly across the country, and it's already killed dogs in several states. It usually starts out with coughing and gagging for up to 3 weeks. Infected dogs can develop a fever from 103 to 107 degrees. Since it's a new virus, virtually every dog exposed to the virus could be infected. It is believed that the new canine virus mutated from a strain of influenza that has been in horses for 40 years. Like most flu viruses, it can be spread by the air as well as close contact. Now, there's no vaccine for canine influenza virus. They're working on one right now. But keep in mind, you do need to be aware of the possible risks to your pet, but it is not thought to be contagious to humans. This virus will be watched closely for any mutations that might develop over time, as with the avian flu virus. Here are some tips to protect your best friend this flu season. If you take your dog to a park, bring the dog's own dishes and toys and avoid unnecessary contact with other dogs. If you kennel your pet, ask if they have had any recent respiratory outbreaks and were the dogs tested and properly isolated. Make sure the facility is clean, well ventilated, and requires all dogs to be current on their vaccinations. Dogs most at risk are young, old, and those with an immune system problem. Remember, the chances of your dog getting canine influenza are still remote, but an ounce of prevention is worth many dollars in vet bills.
This virus can be fatal, but only in a small percentage of cases. Also, the dog flu is still considered rare, so don't panic. If you have any questions, please call your veterinarian. I'm Dr. Jim Humphreys reporting.